Hi, Tigers. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's writing lesson. This week, we've started to learn about another purpose or reason for making a piece of writing. Yesterday, we talked about writing notes. If you remember, I wrote a note to Miss Shiverdecker thanking her for helping me at school. We also started a book called The Day the Crayons Quit, and those crayons wrote notes to their friend Duncan and told them about some problems they were having. Today, I'm going to write another note. I think I'd like to say something kind to my children. Sometimes when I go to work, I have to leave before they're awake, and I think it would be nice to leave them a note. So today I'm going to show you how to write a note like that, and I'm also going to show you a way to make your writing easier to read. Okay, Tigers, I've got my materials out, so I'm ready to start my next note. I have a piece of paper and a pencil. Remember, a note is to someone, and it tells them just one thing you might need to say. Something kind, a thank you, something they need to remember, or a way to help you solve a problem. So like I mentioned, sometimes I have to leave for work before my kids wake up. And when that happens, I like to leave them a kind note. So I'm going to start. Their names are Declan and Delaney. So I'm going to put their names up at the top. Declan and Delaney. Then they usually read this when they wake up. So I'm going to say, good morning. I hope you have a great day. I miss you. Okay, so I wrote my note. It says, Declan and Delaney, good morning. I hope you have. This is kind of hard to read. I'm noticing that all the words I wrote are smushed together really closely, and it's hard for me to remember and see each individual word. I think I forgot something very important in my writing. When we write something for someone, it's important to leave a space between each word so that they can clearly see the words that are on the paper. I smushed all mine together. It's kind of like talking really fast. Declan and Delaney, good morning. I hope you have a great day. I miss you. That sounds kind of silly. Let me see if I could write this again. I'm going to say the same words, but I'm going to try to leave a space in between each word. So the first part said Declan and Delaney. I need to leave a space. Declan and is the next word. I'm going to use my finger to help me know how many spaces or how much space to leave. And then another space. Delaney. Now you can see all three of those words, Declan and Delaney. My finger fit and left a space. If you have little fingers, you might need to use two fingers. Now I'm going to fix the rest of my note. Good morning. Oh, good morning. That's two different words, so I need to make sure I see two words. Good is the first one. Then I'm going to leave a space before I write morning. Declan and Delaney, good morning. I'm going to keep working on my next sentence and leave a space in between each word. Space, there's no more room at this end, so I need to come down to the next line. Hope, space, you have no more room there. Great day. Today, I'd like you to write a note to someone. Again, maybe you need help with something. Maybe you want to say something kind. Maybe you have something to thank someone for. And when you're writing, try to use your finger to put a space in between each word so it's easier to read. We can't wait to see your writing.